Hey y'all, welcome back to T.O.'s Garage. I'm giving you an update on Rustalicious here. The 53 Chevy shop truck that we're building. And I'm working on the transmission crossmember right now. So you can see that I've got it actually all welded and bolted in place. So I was just gonna give you an idea how I put that together. My first thought was actually not what you see here, this finished product. It was this one here. I was gonna use 1x2 rectangular tubing to give me just the right amount of drop and position that transmission vertically where I wanted it. I got a little bit worried about the strength of that. That was, of course, kind of a off-the-cuff design, and I figured I would have to do some gusseting to strengthen that up and finish that off and spend a bunch of time. And I had seen these other mostly complete cross members. It looks a lot stronger. It's made of I think 120 thousandths thick wall tubing, and for the price, which I think was only 60 bucks plus shipping, I thought I'd give it a whirl, and I picked a drop that they had. You can see kind of what I had to do to make it work. I wanted to clear the exhaust on both sides and then drop far enough to have that isolation mount right there, that black rubber mount. And this is that TKO 500, like a T5 transmission. So that's what I ended up with. On this side I welded a bracket and then bolted through there so that I could remove the transmission cross member. And on this side I'm gonna bolt that into the frame, and also I guess I could weld that triangular piece, but for now I've just got it all bolted. And you can see I got access through the frame right here to reach in and put the nuts on the back of that bolt. Well, those two bolts, and then there's one underneath that's not installed. So yeah, I'm really happy with how that has turned out. I think it's going to work well, and then if not, we'll go back to the drawing board. I'm only out a few bucks trying that out, but I'm happy with it. I spent some time in practice with my TIG welder. Guess I could have used TIG, or MIG. I decided to get some more time with the TIG. And that's from Speedway Motors, that crossmember. I think you can get those elsewhere. So yeah, just coming along. Once that is painted, I'll be ready to set the cab back on top of there. I've got the exhaust built out past the cab where the cab mounts, and then I'd like to get the bed on before I finish the exhaust. So I'm trying to get this cross member out of the way, done and finished. So I'll paint that and then move on to mounting the cab and work on a transmission cover inside the cab, and then move on to the systems and final assembly of this truck. I'm looking forward to the first run. Can't wait to hear that 454 go off. And I'm looking forward to about the spring, a couple months away. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll be back with some more updates later.